I'm going to share a little bit of a secret with you. The secret is audio trumps video. This is my MacBook Pro camera, and it's really, really good. But the audio is not so hot. And the one reason why it's not so hot is because of that. You hear all that background noise? That's my neighbor who's constantly doing renovations. This kind of interruption decreases the quality of your audio to the point where your attendees or your viewers will start to notice that. Krisp is a phenomenal application which just sits on your Mac computer or your Windows computer, and it eliminates or drastically reduces all of the environmental noise that's happening. So whether it be a neighbor that's always renovating, or whether it be a gardener that's using the lawnmower or the leaf blower, or whether it's just a conversation of a lot of people that's in the background, like at a restaurant, for example, Krisp will actually remove all of that sound. So you can see in the audio meter, when I'm not talking, it's still moving. That's the background noise that you're hearing. But once I switch over to the Krisp microphone, you'll notice that all of that sound is gone. So let me switch over to that right now. And now, all of a sudden, you can focus solely on my voice. Ah, the sound of silence. Even though I hear it on my side, in the recording, you actually don't hear it at all. And that is how amazing Krisp is. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me sharing a lot of the stuff that I use in my tool belt. So go to Krisp.ai, and it's a very, very affordable app. Install it on your computer system and use it as your microphone sound source, and you're golden. Subscribe for more tips and stay connected with me. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below. See you soon.